Happy morning, children. New topic we are starting today, factorization of algebraic expression. In the previous standard, you have already learned to factorize the expressions of the form ax plus ay and a square minus b square. And this example is given to you 4xy plus 8xy y square is equal to 4xy into bracket 1 plus 2y. Now, as I was seeing your textbook, last year's exactly the same example is given here. See, 7th standard textbook. Let's learn where they gave the heading here. See, factorizing a binomial. And same example, 4xy plus 8xy square is equal to, see the final answer, 4xy into bracket 1 plus 2y. Same example. And here the exercise also related to it. So you have already studied how to factorize the algebraic expression, but it was a binomial. Binomial means what? An algebraic expression having two terms. So in this lesson, what is new then? Here, as you can see, two terms are there. But in this lesson, what we are going to do is, we will be learning how to factorize a quadratic trinomial. Now, trinomial meaning you already know, an algebraic expression having three terms. But here the word quadratic is given. So, what is the difference? An expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c. If you have an expression of this form, then it will be called as a quadratic trinomial. And we are going to learn the first exercise, how to find the factors of a quadratic trinomial. So, as the example says here, ax square plus bx plus c. This you should remember. Here, a and b. See, an algebra expression is all about alphabets and numbers. So, a and b, they are called as the coefficient. And only c is the constant. This also you should know. So what we are going to do now is, here as you can see the example given, I'll just revise it for you all. The terms related to it I just want to tell you. See here, factorize 2x square minus 9x plus 9. So what they have written here, first we find the product of the coefficient. Coefficient means the number part, as I told you, of the square term here, x square, 2 is the power, so this is the square term it is called as, and the constant means only if you have a number it is called as a constant term. So here 9 is given. So in the, what is the general form of a quadratic trinomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. So here, as you can see, this 2 is your a. This you should know first. This is the square term. Here, this 9 is your c. And this minus 9 is your b. See here. First we find the product of the coefficient of the square term and the constant term. 9 is the constant term. 9 into 2. Here the product is 2 into 9 is 18. Now find the factors of 18 whose sum is minus 9, and that I will explain you as I am solving it in detail. But this fact you should know. This is a, that is 2, this is your b, that is minus 9, and c is 9. So a quadratic trinomial's general form is ax square plus bx plus c. So we will solve here your exercise 6.1. See here, all the examples, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there. So these are all trinomials where here if you see, the highest power is 2. So this is a quadratic, it is called as a quadratic trinomial. So here highest power is 2. The square term, as it was said. So we have to solve this exercise. Few sums I will solve and remaining you will do on your own.